Click here to watch our video on the top 4 private jets under $400 million. Thanks for watching. $15 million for a helicopter interior. What do you actually get for that kind of money? Not just leather seats and wood trim. We're talking about flying penthouses with technology that rivals luxury yachts. At this price point, 3 helicopters dominate the ultra-luxury market. And wait until you see what our number 2 spot does with massage seats and smartphone integration. It's completely different from anything else. Let's start with the first one, and we break down exactly what 15 million buys in helicopter luxury. Number 3. Airbus H175. The Airbus H175 represents European elegance at its finest, with VIP configurations starting at approximately $15 million. This isn't just a helicopter, it's a mobile boardroom wrapped in the finest materials money can buy. Step inside and the first thing you notice is space. The cabin stretches over 18 feet in length with a width of 6 feet and height approaching 5 feet. That's more interior volume than most luxury SUVs, and every inch is meticulously designed. The standard VIP configuration seats 8 passengers across multiple zones, though most owners configure for 4 to 6 in ultimate comfort. The seats themselves are masterpieces of engineering and craftsmanship. Each executive seat features full recline capability, heating and cooling functions, and adjustable lumbar support. They're wrapped in poltrona Frau leather, the same Italian leather used in Ferrari and Maserati interiors. You're not sitting on seats. You're being cradled in hand-stitched luxury that costs more per square foot than most people's homes. The materials throughout showcase Airbus's commitment to quality. Gloss-finished wood veneers in walnut or mahogany line the cabin walls, selected from sustainably harvested forests, and finished with 17 layers of hand-applied lacquer. Brushed aluminum accents provide modern contrast, while the carpet is custom-woven wool from New Zealand, dense enough that your feet sink into it with every step. Entertainment and connectivity are where the H175 truly shines. Each passenger gets their own high-definition touchscreen display, connected to a central media server loaded with movies, music, and satellite television. The cabin management system controls everything from lighting to temperature to window shades via intuitive touchscreens mounted throughout. Full Wi-Fi connectivity keeps you online even at 10,000 feet, with speeds comparable to your home internet. Climate control deserves special mention. The H175 maintains perfect temperature and humidity regardless of outside conditions, with individual zone controls for each seating area. The advanced insulation keeps noise levels whisper quiet, allowing normal conversation without raising your voice. This is what $15 million buys in the Airbus H175, a flying sanctuary where every detail has been considered, refined, and perfected. Before we continue with our second helicopter on this list, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into luxury aviation. These interiors cost millions, and we're showing you every detail. Let's keep going. Number 2. Sikorsky S-76D. The Sikorsky S-76D costs between $14 and $16 million depending on configuration, and it takes a distinctly American approach to luxury: bold, functional, and unapologetically premium. Where the Airbus emphasizes European refinement, the Sikorsky prioritizes American comfort and technology integration. The cabin dimensions are similar, 17 feet of length and 6 feet of width, but the layout philosophy differs dramatically. Sikorsky configures most S-76D VIP interiors for 6 passengers in a Club 4 arrangement with 2 additional forward-facing seats. The seats are the standout feature here. Sikorsky partnered with aerospace seating specialists to create what they call executive thrones. Massive leather seats with full massage functions, heating, cooling, and articulation that rivals business class on the best airlines. These aren't adapted car seats. They're purpose-built aircraft seats, designed specifically for the unique challenges of rotary wing flight. The multi-point adjustments ensure perfect comfort whether you're flying 30 minutes or 3 hours. Material selection showcases American luxury preferences. Premium American leather replaces European hides, sourced from tanneries in the Midwest, and finished with a slightly more textured feel than the ultra-smooth Italian alternatives. The wood is often American walnut or cherry, with grain patterns that celebrate natural imperfections rather than hiding them. Brushed stainless steel accents provide a contemporary industrial aesthetic that appeals to tech executives and modern luxury buyers. The technology integration is where Sikorsky really differentiates. The cabin management system uses the latest touchscreen interfaces with haptic feedback, controlling everything with precision. But here's the clever part. Sikorsky integrated smartphone connectivity, so passengers can control their personal zone settings directly from their own devices. Temperature, lighting, entertainment, even seat adjustments, all manageable from your iPhone or Android. Payment options include individual high-definition displays, but Sikorsky also offers an optional 4K projector system that transforms one cabin wall into a cinema screen. Combined with the premium sound system featuring speakers positioned throughout the cabin for perfect audio, long flights become entertainment experiences. Climate control uses Sikorsky's proprietary environmental control system, maintaining cabin altitude equivalent to sea level even when flying at 14,000 feet. The result is reduced fatigue and better passenger comfort on longer flights. The Sikorsky S-76D proves that $15 million can buy a very different kind of luxury, one focused on American comfort, cutting-edge technology, and functional design that doesn't sacrifice an ounce of premium feel. Number 1. Augusta Westland AW139. The Augusta Westland AW139 costs approximately $15 million in full VIP configuration, and it represents Italian design philosophy at its most refined, where art meets engineering in perfect harmony. Leonardo, the company behind Augusta Westland, approaches interior design differently than their American and French competitors. The AW139 interior feels more like a luxury yacht than an aircraft, with flowing lines, integrated surfaces, and attention to design cohesion that's distinctly Italian. The cabin offers 18 feet of length and 6.6 feet of width, actually the widest of the 3 helicopters we're examining. This extra width translates to genuinely spacious seating, with the standard VIP configuration accommodating up to 8 passengers in comfort that defies the constraints of rotary wing aviation. Materials showcase Italian craftsmanship. Poltrona Frau leather again appears, but Leonardo offers additional Italian leather suppliers with different textures and finishing techniques. The wood choices include Italian olive wood and exotic veneers like Macassar ebony, selected not just for appearance, but for how they interact with the cabin lighting. Every surface reflects light intentionally, creating an interior that changes character as daylight shifts. The seat design philosophy emphasizes sculpture over mechanics. Each seat looks more like a piece of furniture than aircraft seating, with organic curves and flowing lines that complement the cabin architecture. Technology integration takes a minimalist approach. Rather than screens everywhere, Leonardo uses retractable displays that emerge when needed and disappear when not in use. The cabin management system interfaces are nearly invisible until touched, maintaining clean surfaces and uninterrupted design flow. The AW139 proves that $15 million can buy Italian artistry, where every element serves both function and beauty in ways that make you rethink what's possible in aircraft interiors. 3 helicopters, 3 philosophies, all at $15 million. Which interior approach appeals to you most? Let me know in the comments. For more helicopter deep dives, check out our video on the best 4-seater helicopters you can buy in 2026. Thanks for watching.